This is not a cooler, because it doesn't need ice to keep things cold. Introducing eRove, a complete portable refrigeration system that keeps your goods at sub-zero temperatures for up to 5 days on a single charge. No more ice, no more water, no more wasted food. Store up to 72 cans. Or keep all your food stuff cold and organized with the dry storage container. Extend cool time by swapping batteries, plugging into a power system, or going solar. That's right, eRove is sun-powered. And if you'd like to keep things even longer, eRove boasts best-in-class insulation that retains ice for 10 days power-free. Built to last and enhanced with top-of-the-line features such as an easy lift handle, durable wheels, a pull-out serving tray, a universal charging station, and much more. eRove brings the best of off-the-grid practicality and fuses it with modern luxury. 'Cause who said adventure can't be classy? We are Furrion. We're building a future where sustainability and modern luxury thrives in synergy. With the latest innovations in engineering and design, we create products that empower you to fully explore life. Back our campaign now and discover more.